We have to have a high standard of ulama. They're coming from far. I can't even speak, my tears just falling. You don't know what we have. There's a piece of gold, my brothers, but I don't know you're going to see through. There's a piece of gold. We don't have people like this in this world. Coming to the quarter camp, coming to the village. Most of the ulama, they come all over the world. They go to Durban, Cape Town. Alhamdulillah, when I speak, my tears just fall. My brother, we will honor this Shaikh. I can't even announce his name properly. For my behalf, there's a piece of gold, my brother. We have benefit from him. We respect the ulama. Alhamdulillah, I can't go further.
This is really inspiring. So come stand up here only so they can take a record of you. I would love to take this back to our families and take it back to the community in America. And I'm going to speak. Listen, it's going to be so nice to know that we opened the Masjid today and we had two brothers who accepted Islam live and direct. This is a great blessing. Takbir! Takbir! All right. And you know, may Allah bless again all those brothers who work. Maulana Abdullah has everybody's name, I don't really know. But all those brothers who built and contributed and spent their time and their effort, Allah bless you, inshallah. All right, may Allah accept you. And listen, the mere fact that these brothers accepted Islam, that's a sign of your acceptance also. That you've spent your time and you spent your effort to build this masjid. And listen, the very first day as we open it, you have brothers accepting Islam. While the masjid was being built, Maulana Abdullah said that there are brothers who are accepting Islam. Don't you think that that is the blessing of Allah? While this proper place is being built, the builders, the workers who are accepting Islam, they were praying on the ground. Listen, that is great motivation. That's a sign that Allah loves us. And Allah motivates us, inshallah. So, you are blessed, and we are blessed. I want to let you know, we blessed.